Hi, this is Daryl Jackson, and in this tutorial, you will learn how to do the Old Man, a form of electric boogaloo created by Boogaloo Sam, but this will be in the style of Michael Jackson. Let us start by striking your right arm downwards, and immediately lifting your right heel. It's important to execute these two sequentially, not simultaneously. Afterward, move your right foot towards your left, and step your left foot sideways. Followed by lifting your right heel once more. You must also ensure the diagonal sequence. As you advance with your left foot, your right shoulder protrudes. Similarly, when you raise your right heel, your left shoulder should protrude as well. Feel free to explore various hand gestures as well. For instance, Michael Jackson frequently tucked his hands inside his jacket, creating the impression of preparing to draw a gun. Then, repeat the sequence. A detailed tutorial for the side glide is available on my profile. As an additional option, you can tap the back of your hat while performing the boogaloo. And that wraps it up. If you've made it this far into the video, please consider giving it a like, leaving a comment, and following me for more fantastic tutorials. Once again, I'm Daryl Jackson.